Hello everybody, welcome to the series of cooking related vocabulary. So today I am going to discuss about some new words again. So the first word is saute. Saute means you need to stir fry onions or vegetables in a slow flame till it turns golden brown or translucent format. Next word is to grate. We grate certain vegetables. The process is grating to make some Indian dessert or parathas, the savory items. Like the most popular one is gajar halwa. Next is we soak. We soak means we soak certain legumes, lentils overnight to cook the next morning, or we soak them for 8 to 10 hours. So the best example we can give, we soak the chickpeas for chole bhature, or we soak the lentils for idli and dosa batter. So this is the way you will learn the cooking related method in an easy manner. I hope you like the video. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye for now. Thank you so much.